that chap there.
Right, so I'm just transporting some stone bricks for the nether hub. I did plan to do a full inventory or chest worth of stone bricks. Unfortunately I ran out of coal because I somehow managed to still not mine enough coal. And I don't really mind anybody knowing where my base is. In fact, I might try and connect it to the nether hub later at some point. I wasn't sure whether griefing. In fact, I'll just leave this open now. I did try to make a hidden where my base was, but I'm fairly certain Vexening told me that you are not allowed to grief other people's bases under any circumstances, so I'm going to not worry about that for the moment. If anything happens, I can always have an alternate secret base area. It is slightly annoying having to go up and down the scaffolding every time, so. Nobody used any of my spruce logs. I mean, I don't want to. I didn't bring another chest because I assumed that they've used some of the spruce logs. I don't want to presume to copy this design here to build my own stuff. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to make myself a boat and have a look around in a minute. And I'll just check out the coordinates for my own base in a minute or two. As much as oh, that's not a perfect stack anyway, so it doesn't matter. You don't need shovels to craft boats. I thought you did. It looks like people need white stained glass as well. Right, let's. What block is this? Because I thought the whole point of the buttons was that the first block was a blue ice, and then the rest were packed ice. And that's how that glitch worked. This is pretty fast. Ooh, okay. Now I'm just spinning out of control. I'm thinking this might require a certain. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't really require that much precision. But I don't know how you're meant to turn around the corner though, because as soon as you try and turn anyway, you start spinning. Wow, this is fun. I didn't even know this was possible in Minecraft. You end up getting quite dizzy as soon as you try and turn a corner. I'm not even sure if it's possible, so maybe you have to. Okay, let's. I didn't. Okay, I didn't particularly. Oh, my boat has gone into the overworld anyway. I'm not sure which portal this is. I have no particular good reason to go through this portal either, especially if it's somewhere dangerous. Oh, this is the stronghold. Well, this isn't the other stronghold. So this may be maybe a different stronghold. No, it's the same stronghold. Oh no, yeah, no, it's this. I just went through a different side of the same portal. So it's the same stronghold as before. Did I put that bed there, or did somebody else put that bed there? I don't actually know. Right. Let's. Looks like we also need some. That pigment doesn't look very pleased. Birch planks for designing this whole place. And here Might be a village given by all the bells, or somebody's base. Oh no, yeah, I've seen this base before. I stole one sugarcane off them, so maybe I should keep. I assume it'll have grown back by now. But yeah, I stole one sugarcane off them the other day to start my sugarcane farm off. This is very near spawn. This, of course, is the spawn. Nether portals. That's slightly scary, actually, that is. I would really like to get a blaze rod so I can have a brewing stand, but given the quality of my internet and the type of level of lag I usually have, I'm not going to risk going into a nether fortress. I can barely handle normal mobs outside my house. Hello. Can I not? I don't want to risk him walking behind me and... Oh no, mobs can't push you off, can they? You'll be fine anyway, you won't take fall damage. Yeah, I'm not going to risk that. I mean, it'd be fine, is a fire-resistant mob, it'd have a nice old swim in the lava, but... Nether portals have been fixed, which is quite nice. Doesn't show me opening inventory and let me wander around for a few seconds with nothing, and then teleport me back to the portal again, which I appreciate. That was for a few seconds watching that salmon do a little bit of a helicopter dance. Oops, just disconnected. So, how did that spider even take damage? Okay. So, my plan for today is to make some sort of automatic cow farm. So, I'm just going to go over to a creative world to design something like that. So we've got some cows here, but I'm not going to be using them, I don't think. So okay, glass looks like that. Much better. Actually, I don't even think I need slabs, because cows are slightly larger than 1 block tall. So the idea behind these farms, as you can see, is basically the fact that the baby cows will walk out. And be sent into this area here. And then this here is glass just so that we can actually open the chest. And we just feed them wheat from above. Oh, that doesn't work very well because it seems to only breed the first couple of cows. This may even be a design I saw a long time ago. They all escaped instantly. One of them's down there. But I don't think they can get out of this slab, which means... Does this give me a way to feed the cows? No, I can't feed them like that either. Okay. A quick internet search reveals that the correct way of doing it is to use a water bucket dispenser to make sure the cows bob up and down so that you can breed all of them. So there's also a more compact design than doing anything like this. So just get rid of everything there. So I'm probably going to start building here and then just dig downwards. In fact, he's streaming right now. Look, that's interesting. Let's see what he's streaming. That's a good point. Yeah, if I put stuff in chat, he'll probably talk about it. Imagine being live. Yeah, he's got all that stuff. Should just give credit to Eagle Eye 621, who apparently is the original person to come up with this type of design. My frame rate's really low for some reason right now. Oh, I just realised I quickly checked in on Vexening's stream. I think my... No, it's paused, I don't know.